5 Best Apple Pie Recipes for the Holidays. Apple pie is one of the most classic American desserts for the holiday season. Over the years, there have been plenty of renditions and twists on the dessert that are just as delicious as the classic version. Many family members and friends will bring this type of pie to a holiday party, but these recipes will make yours stand out with the different and special flavors and ingredients they require to really make it extra special. Here are 5 of the best apple pie recipes you can create this season. 1. Classic apple pie. This is going to be your basic, but delicious, apple pie recipe. It includes 4 pounds of mixed apples, apple pie spice, sugar, and fresh lemon juice for the filling, and a made-from-scratch flaky crust to encompass all the goodness. Finish it off with coarse sugar on the top when it comes out of the oven to finish it off. 2. Spiced apple pie. This recipe calls for an addition of a homemade warm spice blend that adds a flavor kick to the classic dessert. It includes ground cardamom, ground ginger, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, and ground nutmeg. To top it all off, it recommends adding a dollop of whipped cream to your slice before serving. 3. Salted caramel apple pie. For those that have a lot of time on their hands this holiday season, this rendition of apple pie might be up to their alley. This apple pie has a twist by using Pink Ladies and Granny Smith apples with salted caramel glaze all on the inside of the pie, as well as all over the top. Top the pie off with coarse sugar to make it extra sweet. 4. Dutch apple pie. Unlike a normal apple pie, this version has a sweet crumb topping covering the top of the pie. It's made with brown sugar, flour, nutmeg, salt, butter, and vanilla extract. There's a double crunch with every bite, from the flaky crust and the crumb topping. 5. Mom's Easy Apple Pie. This pie only takes about an hour and 10 minutes to make, which is perfect for those who are quickly putting together a dessert. It includes a pre-made Pillsbury pie crust that no one will know that wasn't homemade and only uses Granny Smith apples, no other combination.